Hey regulars, Dr. Chris Shaver from the GI Show, and it's about to rain here in the Ham in the shadow of Vulcan. Wanted to talk to you about a little Toolkit Tuesday, talking to you about the small bowel pill camera or video capsule endoscope. This is a cool thing. You know, it's been around a long time, but you may or may not have heard of it. It's a wireless camera that's encapsulated in a pill, and this is it right here. If you can see this, it's 11 millimeters by 26 millimeters, really slick, just not really an issue swallowing it, and so it goes down wirelessly, and it takes a long 7 to 8 hour video, and it gives us really high quality images that I look at on the screen. And we do this for several indications: chronic diarrhea, possible GI bleeding that we can't detect a source for on conventional endoscopy. So it's very safe, painless, no sedation, so easy to do. This is actually the Given pill cam product. There are other pill cameras available. This is the one we use. And so just wanted to detail you on the pill camera and why we use it. And hope you have a good Tuesday. Stay regular.